Hi, this is Stuart Talley. I am a partner at Kershaw, Cutter and Ratnoff. I'm a Stryker recall attorney, and I'm here to talk about some questions that our clients have been asking. Just the other day, I received a call from a client who really wanted to know why she just found out that her hip had been recalled. The Stryker hip was actually recalled in July of 2012, about a year ago. And many clients, people that are calling us now, have just received notice from their doctor that they have a recalled hip and they need to come in for testing. The reason this has occurred is because when the recall was initiated by Stryker in July of last year, they told doctors that not all patients needed to come in for testing, that the only patients that needed testing were patients who were complaining of pain or problems with their hip. And so most of the surgeons thought that those people would show up at their office one day and they would identify them and then test them at that point. It wasn't until this spring of 2013, that the FDA issued a notice saying that anybody with a hip like the Stryker Rejuvenate or any kind of metal-on-metal hip where you have two pieces of metal rubbing against each other in the hip should come in for blood testing even if they don't have any problems. And we have lots of clients who have not had any pain or problems with their hips, and they have cobalt and chromium levels that are through the roof, sometimes 200 times normal. So if you have a Stryker Rejuvenate hip, I strongly encourage you to go in and get your blood tested to see what your cobalt and chromium levels are. Again, my name is Stuart Talley, and I will be happy to answer any questions you have about your hip or anything that has to do with the legal consequences of being involved in a situation like this.